Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Oh, mashallah, the print is beautiful. The weight is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Mashallah, tabarakallah. Superb, superb. Alhamdulillah. With all this is the translation of the Quran, and it has a pictorial to it. Amazing, amazing, mashallah, tabarakallah. Look at all this. Makes it simple to read. It tells you the verses, the surah, the verses on this particular page, and it's written it in such a beautiful way. The translation is amazing, mashallah. Surah Al-Dhariyat, for example, and then we move on to Surah Al-Ghashiyah, and amazing. These are the surahs Al-Kahf. So these are the surahs in the order of revelation, and this is amazing. Look at all these pictorials, and it makes it so simple and easy to read, inshallah. MashaAllah, tabarakallah, alhamdulillah. Wow. A book we have sent down to you so that you may bring forth mankind from the darkness into the light. Surah Ibrahim, verse number 1. Alhamdulillah.